Model, 2015 Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6TDI 102PS Startline MOTED. Simple fix bargain of a Caddy open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149278. MOT, 30th of October 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6TDI 102PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Underpowered due to injector number 3 need replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, air con. EU status, Euro